In this video, we'll show you how to open a document you receive from the British Library. Before you try to download your document, make sure you are registered with the British Library On Demand service, that you have Adobe Acrobat Reader installed on your device, and that you have set Adobe Acrobat Reader as your default PDF viewer. If you use a Mac, you will need to disable the inbuilt Preview viewer and set Adobe Acrobat Reader as your default PDF viewer. In the video description, you will find links to register for British Library On Demand and to download Adobe Acrobat Reader. If you need help installing Adobe Acrobat Reader on your device, please contact the IT Help Desk. If the British Library can supply your document, they will send an email to your university email address. The email will contain a link which will enable you to download your document from the British Library On Demand service. To download your document, click the link in the email or copy and paste the URL into an internet browser such as Firefox. We don't recommend opening the link in Google Chrome. If you do need to use Chrome, make sure you have disabled the built-in PDF viewer. The link will take you to the British Library On Demand download page. Here you will find a link to register for British Library On Demand service if you haven't already. You will also find a reminder to open your document using Adobe Reader and to wait at least 5 minutes between registering for a British Library On Demand account and downloading your document. If you don't already have a British Library On Demand account, register one now. Registration is easy. Simply input your details, confirm a password, and click Continue. Once you have registered for an account, stop and wait at least 5 minutes before you try to download your document. If you try to download your document before 5 minutes, it may lock you out of your document. Once you have confirmed your account, you can return to the download page and input your assigned username to begin your download. When your downloaded document appears on the screen, click Save, Save As, and save somewhere easy to access, like your desktop. If you see an error message like this one, it is likely the document has tried to open within your browser or within an alternative PDF viewer. To remedy this, make sure you are clicking Save As rather than Open. To open your document, go to the Save location and right-click to select Open with Adobe Acrobat Reader. If your document doesn't open, make sure you are using Adobe Acrobat Reader and not another PDF viewer. When your document is opened in Adobe, you should see a login screen where you can put in your British Library On Demand username and password. If your username and password don't work, you can check they are correct on the British Library On Demand website. If your username and password still don't work, make sure you waited 5 minutes between registering your account and trying to open your document. If need be, get in touch with us so that we can request another copy of your document to be sent from the British Library. If your username and password work, you should see your PDF document appear on the screen. You can now save the document to your preferred location, print the document once, and view the document on your device for up to 3 years. Next time you receive a document from the British Library, you will not need to register for an on-demand account and can simply follow the steps to download and open your document. If you're still having trouble opening your document, check you're not trying to open the document in your internet browser. Check you are selecting Open with Adobe Acrobat Reader, and check your username and password at the British Library On Demand website. If you need more help opening your document, contact us at ilr@worc.ac.uk.